Prep Test 70, game number 3, question 13. This is the first question in the game, so as usual, it's a possible scenario. We'll go through the rules one at a time and eliminate answer choices. I have not put the answer choices on the screen because it would have taken up a little bit too much space with all the detail. So if you could follow along in your book, I will walk through them one at a time. So our first rule tells us that W must start sometime earlier than H. So let's look at the answer choices. In answer choice A, W is at 7 and H is at 9, so we're fine. In B, W is at 8 and H is at 7, so we're not okay there. That one's out. In C, W is at 7, H at 9, we're fine. In D, W at 7 and H at 9, we're fine. And in E, W at 7, H at 8, we're fine. Next rule, S cannot be shown on screen 3. So in answer choice A, S is not on screen 3. In answer choice C, S is not on 3. In answer choice D, S is on screen 3, so we can eliminate that. And in answer choice E, we are fine. S is not on screen 3. Next, R cannot be on screen 2. In answer choice A, we're fine. In answer choice C, we do not have any R on screen 2. And in answer choice E, we do have R on screen 2, so it is out. And finally, we cannot have H and M in the same theater. In A, we have H and R, so we're okay. In C, we have H and M on screen 2. So C is out, and A is the correct answer.